Welcome to the world of GK. Today, let's learn about national symbols of India in detail. First one, national flag. National flag of India is a horizontal, rectangular tricolor of deep saffron, white and India green with Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel, in navy blue at its center. A tricolor was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Tricolor flag was first accepted by Indian National Congress in 1931. Tricolor was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. Second one, national emblem. Emblem of India was adopted on 26th January 1950 from Lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. In this emblem, only 3 lions are visible, while 4th lion is hidden from the view. In original Sarnath capital, there are 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back, symbolizing power, courage, pride and confidence, mounted on a circular abacus. The motto inscribed below the abacus, Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Satyameva Jayate quote is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Third one, national anthem. Janaganamana is the national anthem of India. It was written by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. It was first sung in Calcutta session of Indian National Congress on 27 December 1911. Janaganamana was officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the Indian National Anthem on 24th January 1950. That was 2 days before the Republic Day. The original poem written by Rabindranath Tagore was translated into Hindi Urdu by Abid Ali. Fourth one, national song. Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882 in his novel Anandamad. It was written in Bengali and Sanskrit. Adopted as national song on 24th January. That also in the same year 1950. So, both the national song and national anthem adopted on 24th January 1950. Fifth one, national animal. Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is our national animal. Scientific name is Panthera tigris. Tiger is national animal of both India and Bangladesh. Its populations have been estimated at 1,706 to 1,909 in India, 440 in Bangladesh, 163 to 253 in Nepal and 67 to 81 in Bhutan. Since 2010, it has been classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is IUCN. Bengal tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973 with the initiation of Project Tiger. Project Tiger started in the year 1973 to protect the tigers in India. Sixth one, national bird. National bird is Indian peacock and scientific name is Pavo cristatus. Indian peacock is national bird of India. It is colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, white patch under the eye and a long slender neck. The male of the species is more colorful than the female. Seventh one, national flower. Lotus is national flower of India. It is the flower of goddess Lakshmi and symbolizes wealth, prosperity and fertility. It grows very uniquely in dirty water with its long stalk far above the water, bearing the flower on the top. The lotus flower remains untouched from impurity. It symbolizes purity, achievement, long life and good fate. Eighth one, national fruit of India. Mangoes are native to India and thus truly Indian. So our national fruit is mango. The great Mughal emperor Akbar had planted about 1 lakh mango trees in Laki Bagh in Darbhanga. National game of India. Hockey is still the national game of India. Hockey has seen a golden era during 1928 to 1956 when India won 6 consecutive gold medals in the Olympics. Hockey was considered as the national game because of its unmatched distinction and incomparable talent at the time. And last one is national calendar. Indian national calendar is based on the Shaka era with Chaitra. Shaka era starts with the month Chaitra. It is used alongside the Gregorian calendar by the Gazette of India. Shaka calendar is also used in Java and Bali among Indonesian Hindus. The 12 months are Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshta, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwina, Kartika, Margashirsha, Pausha, Magha and Falguna. That's all about today's class. Thanks for watching.